Question 1. It says that find and draw Fy and big Fy and small Fy in terms of big Fxx and small Fxx. And what we have is this function that y equals to gx equal to, we have 4 parts. The first part is 2 when x is smaller than 0, and the second part is 0 when 0 is smaller than x, smaller than 1, and the second part, the third part is minus x plus 1 when 1 is smaller than x, is smaller than 2, and the fourth part is minus 1 when x is bigger than 2. Yeah, this is what we have. So that yeah, we can see that when y is minus 1 is smaller than y and is smaller than 2. So big Fyy equals to 0 and 1. 0 when y is smaller than minus 1 equals to 1 when y is bigger than bigger than 2. Sorry. And now for minus 1 is smaller than y is smaller than 2, we have at 1 equals to minus 1. The probability that y equals to minus 1 equals to probability that x bigger than 2 equals to 1 minus fx2. At y equals to 0, we have a probability that y equals to 0 equals to probability that 0 was smaller than x, smaller than 1. So that we have fx1 minus fx0. At y equals to 2, the probability that y equals to 2, and one probability that x is smaller than 0 equals to fx0. This is what we can find. And yeah, we can do a summary that is small Fyy equals to, we just combine all of this so that we can have 1 minus fx2 epsilon y plus 1 when y equals to minus 1, and fx1 minus y when minus 1 smaller than y smaller than 0, and fx1 minus fx0 epsilon y that y equals to 0, fx0 that epsilon y minus 2 that y equals to 2, 0 that's otherwise. And we can write this big Fyy. It's equals to 4 parts. That's 0 when y smaller than minus 1, and 1 minus fx 1 minus 1 when minus 1 smaller than y smaller than 0, and 1 minus fx0 when 0 smaller than y smaller than 2, and 1 when y bigger than 2. Yeah. Based on these two functions, we can draw the picture. Yeah. For the big Fyy, we can draw like this. Here is Fyy. Here is y. Have this curve, and here what we have is 1 minus fx2. And here what we have is 1 minus fx 1 minus y. And here what we have is 1 minus fx 1. And also we have this straight, and then go up and then go straight. Here is fx0, and here what we have is 1 minus fx0. Yeah, here is 1. So this is the picture of big f of y. And for the small f of y, it's much easier. It's like here is minus 1. We have a curve here, and we have an arrow here. It's 1 minus fx2, and we also have an arrow here. Here is 2, and here is fx0. And this area is fx1 minus fx0. Yeah, this is what we have. That's all.